Yep guys, today we woke up with another one. Babes Wodumo has revealed on Instagram that there is an unreleased Big Nas album and she is thinking of releasing it to make some money for herself. This has sparked different opinion from various people on social media. However, the most prominent view comes from Music Pulse, as shared by Nota Baloyi. He says he does not see this being an easy task without DJ Tira for it to succeed. She needs DJ Tira because remember, Big Nas was signed under Tira, meaning Tira is the one in charge of Big Nas unless that album was recorded at West Inc. People belonging to Babes Wodumo and her late husband Mampintsha. In that case, she would not need anyone's permission. Here is Nota sharing his opinion regarding this Babes Wodumo matter, guys.
Are you introducing as the wife of Mampintsha?
Her status, guys, I quote, guys, I'm thinking la. I have a lot of unreleased music, or rather songs of Big Nas. Must I do an album?
Mampintsha is not Big Nas. She's got no right.
Ngidle imali, ngivale umlomo, question mark.
She's gonna have a big problem in her life if she does that.
From whom?
From Tira.
Ooh, yeah?
She's gonna have a huge
Tell us.
What do you mean tell us? There's nothing to tell. Big Nas belong to McCoy.
Afrotainment.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. So you can't wake up in the morning and release music with the name of Big Nas just because you...
So she's gonna have to go via Tira.
Tira should have that music and decide when he wants to release. And knowing Tira and how smart he is, the longer you take to release that music, the more value it takes for someone that's passed on already.
Yeah.
So for me as a record label, I was gonna wait even more, like another 5 years.
Yeah.
Right? And then when you thought in Jesek Pelil, and then I bring a Big Nas album out, dash.
Oh,
millions, bro, streams immediately.
She was the wife of Mampintsha, right? Doesn't she inherit the songs somehow?
Yeah, but
No,
not the
no,
songs.
no.
You can inherit the
inherit
verse.
big
No.
Yeah.
She's obviously the one
You will inherit the split sheet,
Exactly.
the verse, the Mampintsha's contribution, also based on the contract that Mampintsha had with Big Nas and Afro Entertainment.
Oh, yeah.
That was Nota sharing his opinion based or regarding the Babes Wodumo unreleased album of Big Nas, because Babes Wodumo, she's thinking of releasing the album just to make money for herself, guys. So the Nota raised his opinion saying that remember, Big Nas belongs to DJ Tira, or it was signed under DJ Tira, so he must ask DJ Tira before doing that. Otherwise, unless DJ Tira can and take all the copyrights or can claim the royalties of that album if it was recorded at Afrotainment, guys. So I don't know what's your take on this one. What do you think about this Nota's opinion, guys? You can leave the comments down in the comment section below. I really love to hear from you. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'ma see you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be updated whenever I upload a new video here on this channel, guys.